Sometimes I just want to have a refreshing drink, very nice, very easy, and just enjoy a movie or nice chat or whatever, just chilling on the sofa. So that's the case today. Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. Welcome back to everyone who is subscribed to the channel, and welcome to all new faces, new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. Now, if you're new to the channel, if you just pop in, I'm never going to ask you ever again to subscribe. That's my decision from today. I'm never going to ask, but what will be nice from all of you is if you like the video, hit this like button because it's very important for me and for YouTube algorithm. That's apparently the way you're going forward. However, today we're doing Aperitivo Highball, a very easy, straightforward cocktail. And the good thing is you're in charge here, not me. I'm gonna give you suggestion, but then you can experiment and get your favorite aperitivo, soda or tonic water and create your highball. So if you're ready, boys and girls, let's do Aperitivo Highball. Now here is the thing with Aperitivo Highball. You gotta pick up your favorite aperitivo. So I'm gonna give you some suggestions. Maybe you like Campari. Use Campari. Maybe you wanna use Aperol Spritz or Luxardo Aperitivo, which is kind of like Aperol Spritz. You may like Bitter Bianco. Or you may wanna do some elderflower. Whatever you decide, you know what I mean? We can go with the orange. So everything it's aperitivo, okay? Everything. So your choice. However, boys and girls, today I have suggestions for you. Apart from all the aperitivo which I show you, kind of just a little choice of them. You can choose whatever you want. But today I want to present to you a very lovely aperitivo, which is Pampelle. There you go. This is the aperitivo. It's made from Pink Grapefruit. Ooh, wonderful. Yes, Pink Grapefruit. So let's build it up. It's gonna be very easy. So all you need is your aperitivo. Then you need your favorite soda or tonic or any fizzy drink of choice. Of course, it should be kind of related to the aperitivo which you're drinking. But if you fancy using a Fanta, use a Fanta. And you know, it's your call. I'm gonna use the blood orange today, Fever 3 blood orange soda. Just because I wanna keep the flavor of the grapefruit aperitivo, which I have here. And I want to introduce a little bit more citrus with the blood orange soda. And pretty much this is it. So let's build it up. So, okay, we need a highball glass. Yeah, that's what we need. As you can see, mine is from the freezer. It doesn't have to be, but I like to keep my glasses chilled now since I bought myself a fridge and freezer, which is fantastic. Okay, we're gonna need a fruit. And when you need a fruit, you can choose any fruit, of course, related to what you're doing. In this case, because I'm using Pampelle, which is a pink grapefruit aperitivo, I'm gonna use pink grapefruit. And that's how we're gonna wrap up a proper highball. So there you go, a big slice of pink grapefruit. We don't need to put it in the glass yet, but just need to be ready for me for later on. So depends of your strength of the aperitivo you want. You decide what you're gonna do. I'm gonna go with double measure or 60 ml or 2 ounces because it's only 15 ABV, which it's not strong, so it's fantastic afternoon drink. You don't need to go crazy on it, but of course you may decide you have it more weak, so you can just go with 1 ounce. It's up to you, or you may decide you want it stronger. I don't know. For me, the best ratio is it's kind of a 2 ounces. It's working fantastic, 60 ml. So I'm gonna pour 60 ml. Smells delicious. Then we're gonna grab our ice. Now, 2 choices here. You can fill up the glass with ice or you can use just 1 clear ice. And this is exactly what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna use. This piece of clear ice like a spear, it's called spear, so I'm just gonna drop it in. I'm gonna open my soda, blood orange, Fever 3. I will suggest with the pink grapefruit you can use soda, like blood orange, or you can use tonic, or maybe some kind of orangey soda or lemony, whatever you decide. That's just suggestions. Like I mentioned in the beginning, you are the creator here. I'm just giving you a heads up. I'm just gonna top up my lovely Aperitivo Highball afternoon sip for me. It's not strong, it's just refreshing. One, it's enough, so you don't need to go crazy on it. There you go. And of course, I'm gonna drop a lovely slice of pink grapefruit, and this is it, guys. This is my afternoon aperitivo highball. Okay, yeah, let's call it like that. Afternoon aperitivo highball. Use your imagination, use your aperitifs. Anything you have, you can do it with Vermouth, you can do it with Amari, you can do it with Aperitivo, whatever, it's your choice. Play with it, find the best solution, and get your afternoon refreshing sip ready. First, let's try. Oh, it's just delicious. You can't go wrong with a low ABV Aperitivo and some refreshing soda, and you have this wonderful pink grapefruit with a touch of bitterness, and of course the blood orange soda brings freshness to the cocktail, but doesn't overpower the grapefruit. It's actually complement the grapefruit, so it's all about your pink grapefruit aperitivo here. Anyway, let's don't go too crazy here. Enjoy your afternoon aperitivo. Send me a kind of a comment, leave me a comment what kind of aperitivo you're gonna make, what you plan to do. And don't forget, if you like the video, hit the like button. Don't care if you subscribe, that's your call, but I really love to see more likes, okay? Do me a favor, hit this like button if you find this video useful. For now, I'm off to enjoy this, and as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.